I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs without oil. First, ensure you have a good quality non-stick pan. This is crucial for preventing sticking when you're not using any added fats. We'll cover methods for scrambled, fried, and poached eggs, focusing on techniques like using water or broth to achieve delicious, healthy results. Get ready to enjoy your favorite egg dishes, prepared with a lighter touch. To make scrambled eggs without oil, heat your non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Add your whisked eggs and a tablespoon of water or broth. Stir gently until cooked to your liking. For a fried egg, crack it into a preheated non-stick pan, add a teaspoon of water and cover with a lid. The steam will cook the top, giving you a perfectly set yolk without any oil. For perfectly poached eggs, bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer, adding a splash of white vinegar. Carefully crack an egg into the water and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the whites are set and the yolk is still runny. If you prefer baked eggs, crack them into silicone muffin cups or ramekins, perhaps with a little broth, and bake until set. Remember, a good quality non-stick pan is your best friend for oil-free cooking. Always preheat it properly over medium-low heat before adding your eggs. Don't be afraid to use a small amount of water or broth. It creates steam, helping the eggs cook evenly and preventing them from sticking. For more great kitchen tips and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below for links and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.